singing of the plains and the mountains sing reply, echo back their joyous strains. In excelsis Deo, in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see him whose birth the angels sing. Come, adore on bended knee, Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
The first Noel, the angel did say, was the certain good shepherd in field as they lay. If Verde lay keeping the sheep on a cold winter's night, that was so deep. Noel, 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 born as the King of Israel. Noel, 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 born as the King of Israel. Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible sings, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new King born today. That man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. From that song that angels sing, listen what they say. That man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. While shepherds watch their flock by night, they see a bright new shining star. They hear a choir sing a song, the music seems to come from afar. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new King born today. That man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. From that song that angels sing, listen what they say. That man will live forevermore because of
sent your son to save us, oh my Lord. You very self to give us, oh my Lord. Then save and not enslave us, and love me reigns once more. Oh my Lord, and in the crowd they found him, oh my Lord. A golden halo crown him, oh my Lord. They gathered all around him to see him and adore. Oh my Lord, you've got us adoration, oh my Lord. They came great jubilation, oh my Lord. And full of admiration they realized what they